Alright, so I found out that even though I have a sealed transmission, I can still fill my transmission with the fluid that it needs. I refuse to pay $150 to $200 for the top off my transmission fluid. So what I got to do is I got to unscrew this. This air filter box has to come off. I got to pop this, unscrew this, unplug this, and you see where those two lines at? Those two lines? The transmission cap is up under there. So hopefully, that's all I gotta do. Y'all stay tuned. That's all I gotta do. I don't see no more screws. I'll let y'all know when I get up under there. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, so got that off. Got the hose off of there. Got the hose off of there. And the plug off of there. Now, because this is attached to here, I gotta pop this off this. And I might have to pop this one. Alright? Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So, I popped off the little 3 that I needed to come off and got this out. Now, because this thing, the air filter cover won't come off because it's like a screw all the way down there that I cannot. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's right there. I cannot reach that darn flipping screw. But anyways, I got room. So I got that off. Boom. Let me show y'all this if y'all can see it. Alright. So here is, see that cap right there? That cap, that goes to my transmission. Looks like I got a little crack or something down up in there. Why is that all taped up, y'all? I promise y'all, this is getting on my nerve. But anyways, so what I got is, to help me reach that, I got this baby right here. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is fill, I got 3 quarts of transmission fluid, so I'm gonna fill. So see, that goes right down up in there like that there. You see that? So and it fits, so stay tuned. Alright, so I put 2.5 quarts of transmission fluid in there. I lock this baby back in place. Tighten that back up. Plug that back up. We're gonna pop this baby right here. Back in there like that there. And it just goes on like that. Now, about to put these screws back in here. And they pretty much, that's how they look. So, this is the thing, the clamp that goes in here. Like that. Wait a minute, This wrong. Hold on. Hold on, y'all, I did the wrong one. This don't go right there. My bad. This clamp go in first. like that. So boom, that's one. All right, that's one. This is the second one. This one is already connected to it because that's how I pulled it out. So I'm just gonna do it like this. Close, try to close that baby up. See that? Push it on down like that. Boom, that one on. And last but not least, this one right here. We got the clamp right here. Yo, let me tell y'all something. YouTube is the bomb. You know what I'm saying? I promise you, if you ain't have to have no license and no degree, you can teach yourself how to do anything. You hear me? Anything. Have patience. Get you a couple of notebooks. Okay, so now this right here that I took off first to the air box. To the air box. This got to go back on the screw on. So everything is back together. The hose, the clamp, the plug, the screw. 1, 2, 3. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So, don't pay no attention to that check engine light. It needs to be reset. Because I already done had an oil change on the tuneup. They just didn't reset it. And the BAS light is my brake. So something going on with a brake. So I gotta figure that out. Anywho, y'all see, look, it's shifting wonderfully. Shifting. Listen, before I put the fluid in, I will be going, I know I'm going 30, but my speedometer will be like, I'm going 60. I'm like, no, something going on with my transmission. And these doggone mechanics nowadays, let me tell you something. Y'all, if y'all, ladies, I'm speaking to the ladies, if y'all can YouTube, like, if y'all like me, because all women ain't tomboyish and, you know, like to do all the little handy things they sell. I do. So, if that is you, then I'm speaking with y'all. Okay? Y'all see this? It rides so smooth. And my speedometer is going exactly the same amount of miles that I'm actually going. So, yeah. Y'all need some transmission fluid in y'all seal transmission. And you have a cap. Some cars don't have a cap. It's like totally sealed. So you have to go to the dealership and pay the $150, $200 to top off your fluids. Okay? I just found out that I had a cap. Ding, ding, ding. So I had a cap, thank the Lord, because I just refused to. If y'all go back through my videos on Facebook, I also, like 2.5 years ago, fixed my side view mirror on another truck that I had, that they was trying to charge me $231 for it. And I went online and purchased the, oh, this is so smooth. My gears is shifting properly. My transmission, y'all. My transmission is shifting the way it's supposed to. Anyway, go back through my videos. Somebody hit me on my side view mirror and tore the whole doggone thing off, and the body shop wanted to charge me like $231 to get it fixed. I went online, I looked up wholesale auto parts, and I bought the mirror for like, I think $15. I went to Family Dollar and I bought a socket wrench set. Y'all, these are things that a woman should have handy. A hammer, a screwdriver, Allen wrenches, pliers, yeah, and a socket wrench set. Look at that. Anyway, so yeah. And so I paid for everything under 30 bucks to get that side view mirror fixed. And I put it on myself. I watched the YouTube video and clamp, clamp, snap, snap, and then snapped everything back on. Presto, it was on. So, alright. I hope y'all enjoyed this video.